What is up, investors? Jason here. So today we're going to be talking about Cardano. Now, we have been seeing the entire crypto market become beat up. The bloodshed, when is it going to end, is what we keep asking ourselves. Now, what we're currently seeing with Cardano, we currently have Cardano under the price of 80 cents at the time that I'm making this right now. Now, as we lead into in through May and we get closer and closer to that Vasil Hardfork to expect in June, where would Cardano go? Because right now, the entire crypto market is just a falling knife, as many would say at this moment. And when do we catch that? Well, we don't know. Currently, we're waiting for things to really turn around the entire market. I mean, we're just not seeing the crypto market in general falling. We're seeing the entire stock market, the real estate market. We're seeing markets in general taking a bit of a hit right now. We have inflation still out of control. We have interest rates going up. We have geopolitical issues going on. But all that aside, we're going to be talking about Cardano, and we're going to be talking about the price where it's currently at, and talking about the Vasil Hardfork. What do we have to look forward to? And would it be possible that we could see Cardano going to the price of $3 when the Vasil Hardfork comes out? And reminder, $3 is around the high that Cardano had hit back at the last time when the Alonzo Hardfork came out, and that was when the smart contract capabilities came out. So we're going to get to this. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash this story, annihilate, or gently press that like button. Help me out with the algorithm. Help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to this. Now, a quick reminder to everybody, I am very bullish on Cardano if you're not familiar with my videos, so do keep that in mind when you are watching this. This is not financial advice. This is my own personal opinions a lot that are influenced a lot in what I talk about. So looking over at the price of Cardano, currently we have it priced at 77 cents at this time. Now, we're basically in another falling wedge. We were in a falling wedge for the longest time after we had seen Cardano hit its high. The price had just continued to drop from there, and then what we had seen recently in March is we had seen the price of Cardano break out through that wedge, but then what happened? Well, we had things get more intense with the entire market. We had the stock market continued dropping more. We had Bitcoin's price dropping more, and that also led into a lot of what we're seeing with Cardano. So we have even more FUD that is thrown at us this time with this recent FUD that we have. This is something that is affecting the entire crypto market in general. I mean, look at Bitcoin. Very similar situation going on. We also had Bitcoin, of course, in a falling wedge as well, but that was from November, where we had seen Bitcoin's price off, where in the case of Cardano, we were seeing Cardano's price really start dropping off in September of 2021, and it just continued dropping. Now, the thing that I always say about Cardano is Cardano worth more right now with the smart contracts and all the applications that have already come out? Is it worth more right now than it was at the time when we had seen the price go up above $3? I mean, it definitely has a lot more use cases right now than then. There was an aggressive amount of buying into Cardano at that time. A lot of people were just jumping on the Cardano train just because the price was going up so much. When you see a lot of price movements, a lot of people jump on that bull, and then some people, and many people in this case, ended up getting ran over by the bull when they grabbed it by the horns, and that's what we've been seeing. So there's still a lot of people that are holding on to Cardano at these much higher prices, and they haven't sold off. They've been holding on to it. And myself in general, I'm also averaging in a lot right now. Like just recently, I did a purchase of $200 more of Cardano, and last week I purchased $600. So I'm just continuing buying in. I'm not buying large quantities, but I'm just averaging in more and more as time is going on. And I'll probably pick up even more this week as we continue to see it in these lower prices, unless things change and the price goes up, and that would definitely be a huge win. So let's just look at this new falling wedge that we've really started here. So what we're seeing is a lot of consolidation with this drop here in the price. Now, the thing is, the previous falling wedge that we were seeing a lot of price movements within that time, but now this is just followed by a lot of consolidation. And this is because we were seeing much more bullish buying activity with Cardano. That's why we had seen the price start rallying up back in the middle of March. and get to the point where it was trying to get over that $1.20 resistance that it had trouble trying to get over, which is an area that it struggled in the past as well this year, back in January and February, trying to get over. But now the big thing is we really need to try to hold at least at a price of about 75 cents so we can go back up to trying to get over a price of about 85 cents. Now 85 cents is another key area of resistance that we need to get over, and it's too bad that this is the way that the crypto market is behaving, but we're seeing it all the way around. I mean, every cryptocurrency is in the red, as we can see. So this isn't just something that is affecting Cardano. It is affecting all the altcoins, and of course, our big players, Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're definitely the ones that are leading the pack here, and they're dropping, and everybody is dropping with them as well. Now, in a recent tweet from Input Output, they had said that they had increased the mainnet block size by 8 kilobytes from 80 kilobytes to 88 kilobytes. And this is a 10% increase, which represents a significant network enhancement, which will help continue to increase throughput and DApp performance. It is the latest in a series of planned network optimizations that they are working on. And this is to really help out with their scaling phase. So this is all to get them ready for the Vasil Hardfork. Now, the Cardano ecosystem is continuously growing and expanding, and there's really a lot riding on the Vasil Hardfork, as a lot of things that the Vasil Hardfork has to offer. Many of these applications are really waiting for those possibilities to be able to use such features. We're going to see Cardano growing in stable coins and NFTs and different projects. Now, currently, when we look over at where Cardano is on total value locked, currently the total value locked is $280 million. Now, it has really been more steady throughout the month of April from where it was massively climbing up in the month of March. But we are seeing a lot of Cardano's total value locked currently with $280 million. And I would expect that when we do get closer to the Vasil Hardfork, that this is going to really start going up. Now, with ADA currently priced at around 75 cents, is it going to be able to get back to that $3 price with the hype of the Vasil Hardfork? I mean, there's definitely a great possibility of there being a rally. That's what I'm anticipating for, at least in my own personal opinion. But I mean, seeing how we had seen from the Alonzo Hardfork, the price going from $1 to $3 in a very short period of time, I mean, there's a great possibility that we will see a nice rally with ADA as it leads into that Vasil Hardfork. But we have to keep in mind as well that the crypto market in general has been kind of just, all over the place. The stock market's been very bearish. The crypto market's been very bearish. Bitcoin's been very bearish, in a much different situation than it was back when we were in 2021, and where we're seeing a lot of that price movement. So we have to keep that in mind, that there's a lot of different forces right now that are affecting the entire crypto market, and that is definitely affecting the price of Cardano right now. But obviously, I'm bullish on Cardano in the long run, and I expect the price to go well above $3. And especially if we were to see the crypto market turn around, that would be the best case scenario for Cardano, to see it hit that $3 price and to work its way up to possibly a price of around $5 by the end of this year. I'm still very bullish in the long run, but at the moment, I'm just buying at these lower prices, just averaging in at these lower prices, and then in the future, just continue staking my Cardano and expect this to all pay off in the future. That's my strategy with it. But anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions and your strategies. And what are you guys thinking that we're going to see the price of Cardano going to when we do have the Alonzo Hardfork? Do I still think that we're going to see it go to $3? I would like to see it happen. If it was any different scenario, if the crypto market wasn't as bearish as it is right now, I would expect it to. But that I can't, there's no guarantees, but I'm definitely thinking that we are going to see a nice rally with Cardano as we do lead into that. But anyways, I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you guys for watching and listening. I'll see you all in the next one very soon.